Hello, 4th through 6th grade, and welcome to Art with Miss Beeson. I am so excited that you guys are here with me for week 2. I know that last week was short. We only had 3 days together, but I was really excited for those of you who joined in. I really enjoyed seeing not only the artwork that you guys produced during our time together in our Google Meets, but the things that you guys had done over the summer to show me that you were still working on your art when we weren't together. And I thought that was awesome. So thank you for sharing last week. This week, our first activity and something that we're going to be focusing on is teaching us your name. So, your name is a really important thing. It's something that stays with you forever. It's what you're given when you're born, and even all through your life. Whatever nicknames you have, you are ultimately still the name that you were given. And it can be hard for some people because they feel like their names are difficult to pronounce. Growing up, my name, for whatever reason, wasn't very difficult, but I kind of just wasn't the biggest fan of it. So this lesson is also for me, in that it's okay to love your name, and it's really important if someone mispronounces your name to correct them, because your name is who you are and you should be proud of your name. So there are a lot of different artists who use letters, right, which is how we write our name, as a way of creating art. So there's, street art, which is a lot of artwork done on walls outside. And there are artists who use objects to create letters. And there are just, different artists that we're going to talk about throughout the week if you join in on our Google Meets. But I want you basically to teach us your name. So to start us off, my full name, well, to an extent, is Brianna Beeson. And growing up, I kind of wasn't the biggest fan of this part. And I wanted to just shy away from my full name because, for one, I thought it was too long. I thought it was, people would say Brianna, which one is it? And I would say I don't care, but obviously my mom cared. And I just want you guys to know that even if you feel your name is just a name and it's not something that you should be concerned about, it is important, and I would love to learn your name. I want to learn how to pronounce everybody's name correctly. I think that's very important, especially as a teacher. I don't want to be calling you the wrong name. That'd be silly. So I'm going to be adding color and more things to my name throughout our Google Meets. So this is just the beginning, and I would love for you to join in and learn more about the artists that I had mentioned. I didn't say their names, but I will talk more about them. And I hope we can have a wonderful week too. All right, you guys, so for this week, just to reiterate what our project is, you're going to be writing your name however you want. I chose to write my name like this, just really quickly, so that I can kind of show you further what I'm talking about. So step 1, write your name. Step 2 will be to add color. We'll get to that in a second. As you are writing your name, keep in mind that you can write it in bubble letter, block letter, cursive, upside down, objects, however you want to write it. And then we are going to also focus on the color. So make sure you choose colors that you feel represent yourself and will be beneficial to your drawing or writing of your name. I am going to probably pick some colors like the color blue. That's my favorite color. So as I am getting to the point of wanting to color, I'm going to make sure I write add color so you guys don't forget that we are adding color. Yay. Okay, so I'm gonna pick blue. And just a reminder, you can do this on pencil and paper. You guys do not have to do this. I'm doing this on my iPad right now. That's how I'm able to show this and show you guys and be talking all at the same time. As you're doing this, just start coloring it however you want. This is just one example. I will show multiple examples throughout the week. As we are meeting, our time will be Tuesday and Thursday from 2 to 2:30, okay? So our Google meeting times is Tuesday and Thursday from 2 to 2:30, and I will make sure I post that and I post the event for you guys. And then as we get to that point tomorrow, I hopefully will see you guys there. So make sure if you're starting your project today, it's just on a white piece of paper. You can do it with pencil and you're just writing your name to start with. And then your second step will be to add color after your name is all squared away, okay? So don't fret. You can always show me your drawings or your names and we can talk about them in our Google Meet tomorrow on Tuesday. So I will see you tomorrow at 2 o'clock from 2 to 2:30. I hope to see you all there. I hope your names have been at least written by then. They don't need to be colored by then. This project should take you a majority of the week. We're only going to work on it together during class. So hopefully we finish by the end of Thursday. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. See you soon.